Good morning, YouTube, man. How y'all doing out there this morning? It's Tuesday. I think it's the 8th of February. Boy, second month of the year already in town. I mean, it's here. Like, yesterday it was here. But, you know, other than that, hope y'all having a blessed, prosperous morning. Man, I'm about to go out here and do a septic tank repair. Yeah, told y'all every day ain't gonna be the same with Cooley. But I might be trucking one day, cutting grass one day, grading one day, building a dog house that day, cleaning your mama collard greens on a Sunday. Boy, I can be doing anything, but today we're gonna do a septic tank repair going down to Hodges, South Carolina, down Highway 25. If you from the upstate of South Carolina, you know about Highway 25. Hodges is down, I guess, Greenwood County, wherever it is, like Abbeville, one of them parts. But we gotta go get somebody boo-boo from stopping up in their house. We're licensed septic tank installer repairs here at Cooley's Grading, right there. And y'all wonder why I'm live right now? I'm like this every day. I can't help it, but it's cold in this truck. But you know what, man? I would shout out everybody this morning, man. Hope y'all having a blessed, prosperous Tuesday. I'm in the tractor trailer right now. We about to leave out from the yard out here in good old Nevitt Forest, South Carolina. So I guess I'll tap back in with y'all when we pull up to the job site. Y'all go ahead and get your coffee, get your whatever, alkaline water, Aquafina, Dasani, creek water, spring water, well water. Go ahead and get ready and stay tuned because I'm bringing you some exclusive content. Okay, so you're gonna put the dirt on the inside. About to get ready to set up the laser here. Putting in 200 foot of easy flow infiltrator. Got my fittings. Good God. So, tune back in with y'all in a second. About to get the septic tank repair started. Try to get up out of here by lunchtime. Oh, there go the Bookie. Yeah, that's an old line. Like they have to put a pit. I'm not sure if they put a pit in there or not. But it's gonna stop here in a second. I ain't worried about it. You can go ahead. Oh man, that stuff don't stink. It smell like money to me. It might smell like boo-boo to y'all, but that money to me, baby. She leaking too. Hey, what it look like up there at the septic tank? What does it look like at the septic tank? Coming down? So, yeah, that's it. Hey, Otis, go ahead and bring me some material. I told him go ahead and bring some material. So right here, we crossed the old line. So we're just a tad bit below it. So we're gonna let it flow on in. See, there's nothing but rainwater. They got the septic tank full up. But we done got 20 feet in already. So we got 14 more pieces to put in. Have this done. So, you know, we getting along. I'm down here in the boo-boo land. These tickets are very high. I do not suggest you bring your family to boo-boo land. Boo-boo land is something serious. So, other than that, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a sec. Taking us a little while longer to dig this 200 feet. Ran into some shale rock. If you know about shale rock, man, it's poor soil, but the rock is so tough, it's almost like a granite, but it's a shell of a rock. It's black and pitted. Okay. You ran into, I think you done ran into the vein. I pulled it out now, so I think we're gonna be all right from here on out. I got around about 60 foot dug in, right around the corner. We good now. That's our level. right, I'll get back with y'all in a second. Finished up these 200 feet of septic tank, cleaning up all our debris. Got it hooked up to the tank. Going on out there, tubers? Shoot, man, we just finished up this dang on septic tank repair today. I'm gonna tell you, usually 200 feet, we can have that knocked out about an hour, 15 minutes. Actually took us about 2.5 today, but it's all good. We got the clients happy. They can use all the commodities inside the house. But boy, I ain't had no lunch today. Hungry. Know I'm about to eat something dead on the plate tonight. Gonna be good. Shoot, you know, hope everybody out there having a great day. I know I'm about to get the backhoe loaded up, get on Highway 25, hit 178, back to 76, be in Anderson. So, you know, I think I'm gonna end this video out with some drone footage. I threw some in here earlier. I'm new to it, just opening up out the box, charged up. So, you know, it might be kind of shaky right now, but you know what? All I can do is get better with it at times. So, you know, just stick along with me. Y'all have a blessed one now.